Namaste, how are you? Well, I'm sure now that the process of partial unlock has started in many cities, things are looking better. However, schools remain closed till 31st of July. Also, there has been a blanket ban on online classes in some of the states in our country. So, what does the situation look like? Has the responsibility, the onus to continue the education of our pre primary and primary children shifted to the parent? So, what are we doing about it? How do we continue that education? There's a lot of worry in the parents. Terms like gap year, zero academic year. We are not understanding that is this how it is going to be? What can we do to continue the learning as parents? Download कर लेते हैं resources, maybe worksheets, stories, rhymes, numbers, literacy. Will that be enough to continue the learning process of this generation? बच्चों का बचपन, that childhood which has happened only once in a child's lifetime, वो तो हो रहा है ना. बचपन तो बीत रहा है बच्चों का this time, अभी, every minute, पल पल में. So now, because there's a lockdown, there's a pandemic, क्या उनके ब्रेन को स्टिम्युलेशन की, अपॉर्चुनिटीज की, एक्सपीरियंसेस की ज़रूरत नहीं है टू हार्ड वायर देयर ब्रेन्स फॉर ऑल दैट न्यूरॉन डेवलपमेंट एंड द ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट? है, बिल्कुल है. वो तो हो रही है, अभी हो रही है, इस वक्त हो रही है और होती रहेगी इन स्पाइट ऑफ इट बीइंग डिक्लेयर्ड एन एकेडमिक ज़ीरो ईयर और अ गैप ईयर. तो फिर एज अ पेरेंट, the fundamental right of education which we are supposed to be giving our children, or rather it is rightfully theirs, we should think of ways in which we can continue this learning at home. When we say development of skills in this age group, is it continuously this conversation is happening, that is it only acquiring literacy and numeracy skills? This generation has Google on their fingertips, and by the time they grow up with the fourth industrial revolution and automation, artificial intelligence will be a part of their daily lives. So do we make children third grade robots, or do we look at making them first class human beings? I've been fortunate to have attended a lot of webinars and a lot of discussion with experts and people who have a lot of research in this field, and what I gathered from them is what I'm sharing with you today. You have to ensure that the environment in which your child is staying just now, the home environment, creates a lot of stimulation, provides a lot of enriching experiences and opportunities for your child in a playful manner, so that all those developments, all those cells working in his brain are triggered. The neurons, all those things are triggered in his brain. So be patient with your child. I know, let's not indulge into nuances of screen time being too much or too less. I remember when I was a child, I used to read a lot of novels. My grandmother would tell me that, आंखें खराब हो जाएंगी इतनी किताबें पढ़ेगी तो, light proper नहीं है. When I grew up, I started I started saying that to my daughter, इतना screen time में मत, इतना मोबाइल में मत देखो, आंखें खराब हो जाएंगी. पर क्या आंखें खराब हो जाएंगी? I mean, हाँ हो जाएंगी अगर आप continuous passively learn कर रहे हैं, कुछ देख रहे हैं continuous. But if you maintain a healthy lifestyle along with it, it will look after itself. That is just a small part of exposing your children to a digital platform. उसके अलावा there are many options. Ensure that your child eats well, sleeps well, has a routine in the house, क्योंकि अब ये सब आपको ही मैनेज करना है. स्कूल की तरफ से ऑनलाइन स्केड्यूल, कंटेंट आना बंद हो गया है. आपका रोल सिर्फ कंटेंट डिलीवर करने का नहीं है. नाउ आपका रोल एक एडुकेटर का भी हो गया है. सो पुल योरसेल्फ अप, लर्न ऑल दोज स्किल्स व्हिच यू शुड be requiring to continue the learning of your child in this entire academic year, like how things look as of now. I will leave you with one simple thought. it is up to us how our children remember us in the future. We are in the process of making history. Maybe they are thankful to us, or maybe they are not so thankful to us and they're not so happy about the decisions we made to continue and provide them the fundamental right of education. Let us all gear up together and help in making our children the best versions of themselves in spite of the pandemic, in spite of the situation outside. Up to, like I said, the unlock which has started, it has happened part by part, isn't it? There was a situation, एक critical condition सामने आई, pandemic सामने आया, उसको combat करने के लिए we took measures, we declared a lockdown. अब जब situation सुधर रही है, things are getting better, हम part by part unlock कर रहे हैं. Similarly, in the case of our child's education, we need to imply and apply the same concept over there. Now that the situation is looking better, things may turn out, may not turn out, we don't know. But whatever we have to ensure that in that we make the children the best versions of themselves. I'm sure that you have given these things a good thought over the days, and I'm sure in the days to come it will ponder in your minds. Thank you.